Hey friends, Jeff off the Gridiron. Well, today I've got a great new review for you. This is the CPM 3V FC 133 bushcraft knife from Focuser Outdoors. You're going to want to check this one out. What a great drop point, 90-degree spine all the way down, Scandi grind, fit and finish are 10 out of 10. Look at that Coke bottle design, just the way bushcrafters like it. Bolted on scales with a lanyard hole. No sharpening choil, but I'm kind of quite fine with that actually. Nice little flare to keep your finger back and out of harm's way. Great job. And I love that profile. Check that out. Again, razor sharp out of the box. This is just a quick unboxing for today. Focuser Outdoors. This is the FC 133 model as shown on the Dutch Boys Bushcraft channel. You're going to want to check that out. Also provide a link below. Look at this great sheath. Ferrule rod, couple of holes to lash something onto, lanyard hole perhaps, or drip hole at the back. Love the thumb ramp. Love the thumb ramp. 10 out of 10 lockup. Great job. Adjustable belt clip. And again, this is available in wooden handle and as well as this G10 material. It comes in. This one comes in the CPM 3V steel. But it also comes in 14C28N and 52-100 stainless. But I wanted this kind of steel for its durability. It comes in at about $100 US, which is kind of ideal. It's in the right price point for me where it's that just enough money that I know it's quality, but not enough to leave it as a kind of a, leave it in the drawer when you're going out. Great point. I've always loved a great point and super sturdy tip. Okay, very rugged tip, so any kind of prying and digging, but sharp right out to the end. Unbelievable. Great job, Mike and Simon at Focuser Outdoor. I'll provide the link below, but this is now #1 on my side moving forward. I can't wait to do some work with it, batoning, put it through its paces, as many people do when they're doing these reviews. But I wanted to say that this is an excellent knife. Right up there, I don't know, I've never owned a Garber. But it's right up there with the Castrom designs, in my opinion. Less foul designs. And another great reviewer is Andrew Price. Andrew Price did a great job kind of putting it through his paces, carving a spatula for one of his partners in the field. So I'll leave you with that for now. Quick unboxing. Awesome job, Focuser Outdoors. I'll be carrying this moving forward 100%. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and share. Check out my other videos down below. And until next time, enjoy your outdoors. Bye for now.